Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn off Microsoft Edge from startup in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn off Microsoft Edge from startup in Windows 11 computer, click on Start menu. Now click on Settings. Now click on apps icon on left pane. Now scroll down. The last option is start up. Click on it. Here you will find Microsoft Edge and that is turned on. Just click here to turn off from startup. Now Microsoft Edge is turned off from startup is in your Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.